Good mythical Wednesday. Hold on, let me put you guys down so I can start this vlog properly. So aesthetic. Are you struggling to find the perfect gift for a special someone? Tired of trying to get that one popular item that's always sold out? Whatever that is. Well, I have the perfect gift for you guys. Now that we got the intro out the way, I guess I can tell you guys what we're going to be doing today. This morning I went to Michael's to get some supplies for the project that we're going to be working on today. Because yesterday I went to 3 different stores to get the supplies, but none of the stores had what I needed. So I got up early this morning around 8 to go to Michael's because they open at 9. None of that matters now because I got the supplies. Today we're going to be doing some DIYing, and I thought I just spelled dying, but no, I said DIYing. Today we're going to be doing some DIYing because there's no gift more special than the one that you make yourself. At least that's what I like to believe. Not only did you take your time and effort to make this gift for someone, but it shows that you care. It shows that you didn't just go on Google and get the first top selling item you've seen. So let's get started. Wait, I forgot to tell you guys what we're making. We're going to be making ugly sweaters. For this project, you're going to need some... Just as I thought this video couldn't get any worse, you can see the felt particles floating around my room, and now it just looks like it's snowing inside. I don't have any way to edit this out, so I'm just going to insert music so that it seems a bit more intentional. Felt, embroidery floss, sweater, needles, and most importantly, a nice cozy spot on your floor. This is going to be a pretty simple project. So simple, I think that even a 2-year-old could do this. With the help of their parent, of course, because we're going to be using needles and we wouldn't want any accident to happen with the 2-year-old. I picked up this tan or beige crew neck from one of the 3 stores that I went to yesterday. And then the second one I have is this pink color. Yay, so festive. The first one I want to start off with is this. So I was thinking of embroidering a gift tag, you know, like the Christmas present tags. We want to make this person feel special. We want to make this person that we're giving this to feel like they're the present to anyone's life that they walk in, that they are the gift. Their presence is the present in any room that they walk in. I know this is supposed to be an ugly sweater, but I'm going to try my best to make this look decent. I want to make something that I would wear, not just some tacky, over-exaggerated, ugly sweater like Santa just threw up all over you. If I could just remove this size tag, then we could be on our way with this video. Got it. It left this sticky residue on it. So off camera, I went ahead and drew a template of a gift tag. I'm going to be cutting this out. Okay, I'm proud of myself because now I just got 2 angles. I have this camera and this camera. Look at me being a professional YouTuber. While we work, I thought it'd be fun to talk about the holidays and my relationship that I have with it. I have this love-hate relationship with the holidays. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy some aspects of it, like spending time with families. Do I have multiple families? Like spending time with family and decorating for the holidays. What I don't enjoy is, and this is where the hate part comes in. What I don't enjoy is the pressure that comes from holidays. One being gift giving. And I know what you're thinking, like, you don't like giving people gifts? No, that's not the case. I do enjoy giving people gifts, and I'll tell you more about that later. I always feel like I'm expected to give someone a gift just because the calendar says, oh, this is the day you should give someone you care about a gift. Like, no, if that's the case, why not give them a gift on a random Tuesday in March or something? At least I feel like doing it that way shows that you have a stronger appreciation for someone. You're not following when the calendar tells everybody the exact date that we have to get someone a gift. For example, it's like, okay, yeah, I got a gift for Christmas. I appreciate it, but I was kind of expecting this, as to where I got a gift on a random Tuesday in March. Now that's different, because it was unexpected. It's like, is this a prank? Well, what's going on here? That's where the thoughtfulness comes in. You thought about that person when you seen whatever it is that you came across and you got it for them. Not because you were preparing to get it for them because of a calendar date, if that makes sense. Once you have the tag all cut out, you just want to slap that right on the chest. Next, you're going to want to take your thread, and of course, you're going to need to run it through the needle. How else we're going to get this felt to stick on the chest of the shirt? I mean, there's other ways like glue, but that's not what we're working with today. This is not a tutorial, so I can explain why I picked up red. And you might have a different color, which is perfectly fine, but I picked up red because I felt like it complemented the color of the sweatshirt that I got. And it's going to really stand out from, it just makes more sense. It's always a struggle to try and get, okay, well, never mind, I got it. Earlier in the video I mentioned that this DIY is going to be simple, that even a 2-year-old could do it. I take that back. Probably doesn't have the experience with a needle and thread yet. For a neat look. I'm not trying to make an ugly Christmas sweater. Sorry for the clickbait of the title, but if I didn't, you would have found this perfect gift that you could make for someone that you greatly appreciate. A lot has happened since the last time you guys seen me. I mean, it wasn't that long ago. For you, it was like a second. But for me, it was like an hour. I finished embroidering Ideals Meals. It's always a struggle to film a video when working with sunlight. I made a lot of progress, and as you can see, I'm almost done. And yeah, I'm excited for how this is turning out. A lot better than not really. I didn't doubt myself one bit. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this isn't my first rodeo. This is my second rodeo. So I'm pretty experienced. Moment of truth, the final stitch. Okay, it's a new day and I'm not competing with the sunlight today. We talked it out. It's going to cooperate. I can try this on and show you guys how it looks. Let's do a little try on haul. Alright, it's on. And I like how this turned out a lot. The results were worth it. The person you're going to give this to is going to appreciate it. If you want to take an extra step, you can take a marker and write who you're giving it to here, and then your name. I won't be doing that. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to subscribe for more. Also, if you recreate this, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram in the description below. I would love to see your version of this ugly sweater. So yeah. Alright, bye.